Hello, America. Y'all check out my one-of-a-kind, high-powered, all-terrain lawnmower. This thing has 225 horsepower and a 128-inch deck. This is like a fighter jet, a Corvette, and a bush hog had an orgy and made a baby. Now under this deck right here, we have 4 blades. That's like 4 samurai swords cutting that grass at all times. Now if you see the samurai swords that don't get it, then the katana's will. You see there's 1 blade each under these decks right here. It's basically like a finishing mower, all right? What the front one don't get, oh, the back one will. Now, I think I've talked enough. It is time to show y'all what this machine can do. Ignition, engage. Look at that cut right there. That's like a golf course. Look, look. You play 18 holes on that right there. Get out there.